welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the 4 of us from the 13th to the 17th of July 2026 on Monday. Romantic tension and loyalty shift as Banzi's behavior raises concern. Tato and Balungile grows closer amid financial strain, and Papi move to cover up a violent incident while power struggle deepens within the group on Tuesday. Family tension escalates as Vera grows suspicious and demand justice for Kopano. Guilt, heartbreak, and strained relationship leave several loved ones struggling to move forward on Wednesday. On Thursday, a guilty Papi promises revenge, of vengeance to calm Vera. Lethabo and Poppy have a little bonding moment that restores her hope in him. Papi is welcomed to for his first day at the dealership on Friday. Vera silently recoils, watching Papi in disgust. Poppy birthday surprises for Ndumi begins bright and early. Lethabo is light, believing things are looking up for her, and Poppy, while Balungile bemoans her own terrible dating life. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.